noche y nunca, nunca falla. Yeah. Te quiero conocer. Tell me what's your name.
Hi guys, it's Shine. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be super quick and sweet. I just wanted to do a Glossier unboxing. So I did order some goodies from their website and I have not tried this brand yet. So I just thought we'd unbox it together and maybe try a couple of things out and kind of go from there. So I did already cut the box, that'd be easier, but this is the inside of the box. So it says, "You look good," and I think that is super cute. Everything comes in this makeup bag. I don't know if all of their like orders come like this, but I thought this was really cute. It's resealable and it does have bubble wrap on the inside. It comes with stickers, which I think is super cute. And it comes with, what is this? Let's see here. Oh, it's got another little sticker. If I could pick it up with my nails, we'd be doing great. Another little Glossier sticker. I love stickers. I like to decorate like my makeup area with them. And then it comes with this little card in this envelope. And it just says, "Hi, finally we meet. It's really nice here." So this is really, really cute. I like that it has a bunch of different skin tones represented. I love when a brand is more inclusive. More brands should be. So let us open it up and I will show you what I got. So one of the first things I grabbed was their lip gloss. Like, of course, I'm a lip gloss fiend. I had to have it. So taking it out of the packaging, this is how she looks. Obsessed with their packaging. Oh my god. Another thing I got was the Halo Scope, and this is the packaging for this little guy. I love how everything is just such a cute, like, white and baby pink packaging. And this is the Halo Scope. Let's swatch her. Oh, that is so pretty. So pretty. You put that back down. I also got Boy Brow in, what color did I get? Dark brown? Brown, just brown. And this is the Boy Brow. This is how little it is. My eyebrows are already done, but let me see if I can add a little bit more to it and just see if it does anything. Oh, this is cool. It's kind of just making them look a little bit more like fluffy. I mean, you probably can't see it on camera because my eyebrows are so dark right now, but this is cool. It kind of helps define the hairs a little bit more. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys definitely, I don't think can see it on camera. I will definitely play around with this on camera when I do not have my eyebrows done with a pomade. I also grabbed the birthdaybalm.com Universal Skin Cell. Can we have a moment for this packaging? I die. So cute. Let's try her on. So this is it. And just gonna go in with like a little bit. Oh my god, this smells amazing. This feels amazing. This literally smells like vanilla cake, but not like, I don't think it's overwhelming. I think it smells fantastic. And then let's go in with the gloss over top. Ooh. I love. The gloss is not sticky at all. It feels so comfortable, especially layering with this underneath it. Like, look at the hollow. Oh my god, this smells amazing. This might be my favorite thing. I also got a sample, and I already opened it. So the sample came in here of the perfume. So let's... Ooh, this smells good. It's... I don't even know how to describe it. It's... like more fresh, kind of earthy. This smells really good. Normally I wear stuff that smells more like on the vanilla, like sweet side. But this smells really, really nice. I don't know what it is, but it's just, it says they're just eau de parfum. They're Glossier U. It smells so good. So all in all, I am super pleased with my purchase. I know this video is like super short. I didn't get any of like their skin products or anything like that. I was just more interested in trying out like their glosses and their lip products and the boy brow. I wish you could see it more. Sorry about that, but I will definitely do another video with that soon. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it's like a balm, so this would be great to like lay your highlight on all over the body. And yeah, oh my god, I am so pleased. Like, I don't know what else to say. Like, completely excited about my Glossier purchase. I will definitely play around with this more on my channel, I promise. And I'm probably gonna get some more of their products because honestly, this is like one of the best lip glosses I've ever had on my lips. It's just clear, which I really like a clear lip gloss. Another clear lip gloss that's super random but I'm obsessed with is the Wet n Wild one. It's just completely clear. It's like $1 or $2 if that, but this feels amazing. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed this super quick and short unboxing video. And like I said, I'll try out the product soon. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.